Every decision has two fears. The fear of trying and the fear of staying. Whichever fear you choose to accept is the one that shapes your life. You see, when starting a business, don't think of it as like a parang major life change. Hindi mo kinakailangan mag-resign bukas to start a business. Hindi mo kailangang ilipat ang buhay mo ng isang gabi lang. Take the smallest step that breaks the pattern. So kung gusto mo magsimula ng online coaching business, hindi mo kailangan mag-launch ng complicated funnel or even a website tomorrow, or you don't even have to run Facebook ads. Mag-post ka lang ng isang piece of insight sa LinkedIn or sa Facebook mo tungkol sa negosyo mo or sa ginagawa mo everyday. And AI can help you with that in 3 minutes. You can literally ask AI to help you brainstorm ano ba yung mga valuable content that you can post on social media. Maybe mag-message ka sa isang dati mong kaklase. Possibly maging unang client mo and just tell that person, hey, I just started a new business. Mag-set up ka maybe ng simple landing page. Kahit isang page lang, kahit wala pang traffic. Mag-charge ka ng consultation fee sa mga nagpapakonsult sa iyo. You see, you won't fail because you can't. You will fail because you are more afraid of trying than of staying.